Alright, so in this video, I'll be showing you Canva and its interface. Let's get familiar with the interface first before we start designing on Canva. So let's head over to my Canva app. Alright, so this is my Canva app. Remember that Canva is an online app, so you need internet for you to use Canva. Okay, so when you open Canva, this is what you will be seeing. But this, if you are opening it for the first time, you will not see something like this. You will be seeing something else. It will be giving you a prompt that you should register or sign up with your email address. All right, so you need to sign up with your email address for you to use Canva. Signing up with your email address is a way of the app collecting data, the owners of the app collecting data to know those who are using it, as well as to be able to save your work in the cloud. Because anything you save, anything you design on Canva is also, you can access it from any device because everything will be saved in your email. All right, so let me just quickly show you. This is the interface. This is the home page of Canva. Like I said earlier, that Canva has over hundreds, thousands of templates that you can choose from. So when you open Canva after you're signed in, this is what you'll be seeing. So let me just walk you through. This is the home. This is where you'll be seeing different template. These are the things you can do on Canva. You can create you can edit a flyer, do social media, photo editor, video. You can edit video here. You can create a sheet like Excel, presentation like PowerPoint, document like MX Word, whiteboard, website, and a lot more. All right, this is where you'll be seeing your recent work. Anything you have done, you'll be seeing it. Let me use my tool so that you can see recent work. You'll be seeing all your recent work here. All right, so let me remove this. You have wallpaper, you have cards, certificates, mobile phones, stories, presentation, flyers, book covers, photo collage, posters, a whole lot of templates that you can use with Canva. All right, so you also have let me see, okay, projects. Under the projects, that is where you will be, or anything you work on, all of them will be saved there. All right, this is the a plus. This plus button is when you want to start to design. Okay, if you click it, it will take you to where you want to start working. So let's just click it and see. You click on the design. All right, so here it will be showing you different templates, different things you want to use. You can also choose from here. All right, or from this place where you have what would you like to create. For example, let's say you want to, anything you want to create, just type it there. It will bring out the templates. Okay, all right, so that is for the plus button. Then you have templates. Under these templates, it will be also be showing you the different types of templates available. Here, the Pro is the paid version of Canva, because Canva have free items and paid items. So there are some items you may not be able to use, or you will only be able to use if you are on the Pro version. All right, but in this class we'll be using the free version because my Pro subscription has expired. So that is just the interface. So there is another thing here. Can you see these three lines? So let's just open it and see what is inside. You click on it, it will open up the menu first and foremost, you'll be seeing your name. All right, your name, the home page, brand, apps, Canva AI, Ask Canva, trash, and all your recent design. It is also showing you that if you should upgrade. So if you want to upgrade to Canva Pro, you can just click on that and it will take you to how you can upgrade and pay. All right, so that's basically the interface of Canva. So as we continue to design, you will get more familiar with it. Thank you.